Nature for All is a global movement to inspire a love of nature, and it's built on the knowledge that the more people connect with nature and really love nature, the more likely they're going to want to conserve it.
The Canadian Wildlife Federation is at the World Scout Jamboree to teach kids about conservation, invasive species, habitat fragmentation, all while playing fun and interactive games.
Connecting with Scouts is huge because this is a group of engaged youth who really do want to make a difference. And I think it's our hope that there's more of them than there are of us.
The future of our world, the future of our forests, the future of our environment is really dependent on engaging the next generation of youth.
In order to maintain a thriving lifestyle, we need to protect biodiversity. A big part of that is not just bees or butterflies, but also the plants, animals, and everything across the board.
Eu acho que quando você é um escoteiro jovem principalmente, você está animado, você tem esse entusiasmo para mudar o mundo. E quanto mais cedo você começa, melhor. Seja no oceano, seja no meio ambiente, no planeta em geral, nas comunidades. É isso que o escoteiro faz, ele faz a diferença.